welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another session of binary options trading. If you're new to the channel, make sure to go to the description to this video. There's a lot of useful information, including Telegram group where we post a lot of useful tips and explaining how to work with indicators, different indicators for trading with binary options. So make sure to check that out. Also subscribe, leave us a comment, leave us a like, and also there is a promo code that you can use on the platform. The link is also there. It's called Quotex. That's where we trade, and if you want to register, you have a promo code there. It's my personal promo code in my name, and you can use that for the first deposit and enjoy the bonus that you can get with this promo code. So let's go to the trading straight away. Okay guys, so today we're gonna start with $5, and today's strategy is gonna be as you see, it's a bit different amount, $5, and we're gonna see how we can get so which amount we can get today in a profit. So we're gonna use today we're gonna use an indicator. It's one of my favorite indicators. It's really easy to use, and you'll see that you'll see the indications while we go. So let's go to let me see. Let's go and get, so the zigzag, we have the zigzag here, and I'm just gonna put on a stochastic oscillator as well. So yeah, that one, and I'm gonna explain as I go. I try to explain as I go. If not, you can also find information in the Telegram group and so on. So let's see. We're gonna see how that is doing. Actually, maybe we check out. Maybe we see another currency. Let's have a look for another indicator here. D channel. Okay. Long chain. So okay, so I will be looking mostly at stochastic oscillator, but these channels also gonna be helpful, and zigzag and the other the don't chain indicator. But we're gonna make a trade. So I'm gonna have the $5, and I'm gonna go with a call option here, and we'll see. And we have our first profit, guys. The profit is $4.25. So in total we have $9.25. So the next one will be, I might check out another currency, because right now what I see, well, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, the price is definitely going up, and maybe we have a chance to go with the put option here. But looking at the stochastic oscillator right now, and the price is actually so we're gonna check out different currency. That's actually a pretty good point here, and we're gonna go with a call option here, because the stochastic, as you can see, it's clearly here indicating that the price is gonna go up. So let's see. And we have another profit. Our payout was $16. So now the $17 that we have here we're gonna go with a next option, and we're gonna go with let's check out a different currency. Ooh, this is not bad actually. If we can just wait a second, the stochastic here is clearly showing us a good sign. If it just crosses this orange line, so I guess it's gonna be the call option, because the stochastic, right, it's getting there. Yeah, it's getting there definitely. Okay, so we see that the stochastic oscillator shows that it clearly indicates that the price is gonna go up in the next time. So let's see. And we have the profit here, guys. The payout was $32.47 in total. So we had $16, $15 profit. So now we're gonna go with 32, and we're gonna put another option. Ooh, I would actually go with another call option here, to be honest. It would be great. I'm gonna check out another currency here, and actually this here, not sure about it, but maybe we're gonna go with a call option here. Okay, so just looking at the indicators, this was risky, but I reckon that we're gonna be the correct choice here. Okay. Okay guys, this was another profit. It was, the payout was $59.20. So right now we have $59.75 on our account already. Just from $5 we made another 55. So the next step would be to, let's have a look. We're gonna put $59 here. And we're gonna have I would probably check out some other options of the currency. This is not a bad one actually. We have a nice indication here for to place another call option, because the pattern should be going now. We see that the indicators are pretty clear, so let's see. And this is profit, guys. This is now 110.33 cents and totally $111 on our account. This is incredible result. So we're gonna start going with some higher amounts. So 111 probably I'm gonna go with, and 11, and we're gonna go with next currency here. We're gonna check this out and let's see. So that actually looks, so the zigzag has been gone pretty fast. So this will be a put option now. So let's do that. 111, a put option for 1 minute here. Clearly you see that the zigzag is helping here to see the clear picture. So the stochastic is showing us it shows us also that indication, but the zigzag is showing it in a different manner. So it's nice to know the indicators, and for that make sure to check out the description to this video with the different useful tips. There's the Telegram group for that. Join that and be happy. Oh, we just had a situation here when we just received $111 again, because the price did not change from when we placed our option to where it was when it finished, when the time finished. So now we're gonna make another option, another call option here. Another put option here, because the time was, if we had actually, yeah, we're gonna go with another put option, because if we had 2 minutes on, we would have the correct option. Because we have 1 minute, it didn't have enough time for the price to go down. So let's see now. We just had a profit, and totally we have now $212 on our account. So guys, this was just from $5, and you can imagine that it's the strategy works, and it's nice to be able to read the indications. So now we're gonna go with $211 here, and we're gonna go to different currency. So the trading continues, and we're going to let's have a put option here. So we opened a trade with $211 for 1 minute, and it's a put option. Let's see. Guys, this is a pretty good result already. $391 on our account already. So we're gonna go and let's place 390, and we're gonna choose let's choose our option here. I would go with probably the call option here. Let's check out different ones. Oh, that's probably a call option here, from what I'm seeing. Unless, oh, actually stochastic is showing us that the price is still going down. It's a tricky one, so we're gonna go with a put option, and we'll see. So guys, here we have a profit of almost 350. So what I would say here is that the result is pretty crazy already. From $5, it's $730 on our account. We're gonna go with a different currency here with a put option, and I will tell you why. Because the zigzag is showing that it has been going up for a while, and it's probably time that the price is going down. And the stochastic oscillator is early to say, it doesn't really show it yet, but it's heading there as well, as you can see. So we'll see. Guys, this is a weighted 1,394 payout. So now we have a chance to go in for the option with 1,000. This is a great opportunity when you have a chance to go top maximum it's a great way. But right now, from $5, we already made $1,395. So the result is already amazing. I'm gonna just push it a bit more. I'm gonna go to a different currency here, and okay, so let's have a look. The price here is going, it's probably gonna go up, so, but maybe we need more time for it to go up. So at the moment we're gonna go with put option, because there is no time for it to go. 1 minute is not enough time. If I was going for 5 minutes, I would, or 4, I would go with a call option, but right now 1 minute is short. So let's see, let's wait. Guys, this is a crazy result now. It's $1,850 in total. We have $2,245 on our balance. So let's push it a bit more. We're gonna go and make couple of the trades at a time now, couple of the options, and we'll see the result. So right now here I don't see much. I'm gonna go to a different currency, and here we are, and so the 2 call options here, guys, because from what I see the price is still going up. The zigzag has not finished its course yet, so we're gonna see. So guys, this was a payout, and we have right now on our balance $3,985. This is amazing result, and in total it's almost 4,000 that we made just from $5. So we're gonna go now with a couple of more trays. We'll see if we can. That's a nice one. So let's have a look here. We're gonna go with 1 minute time is short, so maybe it's still the put options. So let's go with 1, 2, 3, and yes, 3 options, 1 minute put option. Let's see. And here is the result, guys. $6,715 on our account. This is a very good result. Just starting from $5, we made this amount of money, $6,715. This strategy, as you can see, is pretty simple. It works, and it's user friendly, like a newbie friendly. You can check out how to understand and read the indicators in the Telegram group in this description into this video, as well as the link to the platform called Quotex, the one I trade on. And also, if you make your deposit, you can use the promo code that is also in the description to this video. It's a personal promo code that I have for you guys, and use it for your deposits to get a bonus. So make sure to use that, don't waste it. And also don't forget to subscribe if you like the sessions that we do, if you like the info. For all the rest information on indicators, watch the videos, look at the information in a group, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good one, good luck, and bye.